guys, so I want to dye my hair today. Like I said yesterday that I wasn't able to dye because of one reason or the other, which I explained in that video. So I want to go into the dyeing process of my hair to gold. I hope it come out nicely, though I'm using the powder. I'm using the powder version, not the cream version. So let's get right into it. So this is the powder I'm going to be using. It's called Ada Shallow Color in Fast Fragrant Powder, and also Volume Herb Spa 40% volume. Like, this is the volume. I don't know how it's. So that's basically, those are the two things I'm going to use for it. So I'm just going to pour a little bit quantity of the powder because my hair is not much. And then I'll pour the solution. So thick. And then I'll use the spoon to mix them all together. You can also use a toothbrush to mix them together, or the normal dye brush, but I didn't just want to start looking for where I kept mine, so I think it's ready to be used. I had to cover up myself so the mixture will not touch my clothes, or while I'm putting it on my hair, so it will not touch my clothes. So that's why I have to cover up myself like this. So let's apply. So guys, as you can see, I'm done applying the dye on my hair. I'll be washing my hair with this Dr. Miracle, first off, Dr. Miracle Neutralizing Shampoo and Dr. Miracle Leave-In Conditioner. So those are the two things I'm going to be washing this hair with. So I'm just gonna cover my hair with a nylon. I've thrown away all my shower cap since I no longer keep hair, so I felt they were necessary, so I threw them away and I disposed. That aside, I'm just going to cover my hair with a nylon so the heat will make it catch. I just hope it works out. So we'll see the process, the end result in 3, 2, 1. This is the final look. It's not as goldish, if there's anyone like that, as I wanted it to be, but I think I can make do with this for now till maybe when I dye it again. I was going for color 27, like gold color 27, but I'll just make do with this for now, guys, till maybe when I dye it again. But yeah, that's it for today's video. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also turn on your notification bell so as to be notified whenever I upload new videos. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now, bestie.